Biohacking with fasting, the ultimate reset button for your body. Okay, let's be real for a second. Who doesn't want to feel like they're thriving instead of just surviving? With all the chaos life throws at us, hello, stress and constant scrolling, it can feel impossible to stay energized, healthy, and happy. But what if I told you there's an ancient, super chill practice that's not only about skipping a few meals but could literally turn back the clock on your body? Yep, you guessed it, fasting. Before you start imagining yourself as some Zen monk meditating on an empty stomach, not that there's anything wrong with that, let's talk about how fasting is actually a game changer when it comes to biohacking and healing your body. Spoiler alert, it's not just a trend, it's been around for thousands of years, practiced by cultures worldwide, and is now backed by modern science. Ready to dive in? Fasting, the OG biohack. So, what is biohacking, anyway? It's basically the art of using science and lifestyle tweaks to optimize your body and brain. And fasting? It's been the OG biohack for centuries. Think of it as the original wellness hack, before wellness hacks were even a thing. From ancient Egypt to modern-day Silicon Valley, fasting has been used for everything from spiritual growth to self-improvement. And here's the kicker. Fasting isn't just about losing weight or trying to fit into your skinny jeans, although it can help with that too. It's about giving your body the time it needs to heal, regenerate, and thrive. The science behind fasting, what? Okay, let's get into the nitty-gritty. When you fast, your body enters a process called autophagy. Sounds fancy, but just means self-eating, kinda like your body doing a deep clean. During this phase, your cells break down and recycle damaged parts of themselves. It's like hitting the reset button on your body. Here's the wild part, this process helps reverse aging. Yep, you heard that right. Fasting helps rejuvenate cells, boosts stem cell production, and even helps protect your DNA from damage. It's like getting the fountain of youth in the form of your own body's natural reset. As you fast, your body heals and regenerates, giving you a chance to literally turn back time. But the benefits don't stop there. The global love affair with fasting. You might be thinking, sure, fasting sounds cool, but is it really something that's worked across different cultures? Spoiler alert, absolutely. Fasting has been part of some of the world's most iconic health practices and cultures for centuries. Let's take a quick world tour. 1. India. In many spiritual traditions like Ayurveda and yoga, fasting has been used for centuries as a way to cleanse both the body and the mind. 1. It's not just about detoxing, it's about clearing out the energy blockages and finding balance. 1. Fasting is seen as a way to boost mental clarity and elevate your consciousness. 1. Plus, in Ayurveda, fasting is thought to help reset the digestive system and promote longevity. 2. Japan. Japanese culture has been all about moderation, which includes fasting, or at least restricting caloric intake. 2. The Okinawan people, famous for having some of the longest lifespans in the world, practice a form of calorie restriction called hara hachibu, which essentially means eating until you're 80% full. 2. This practice is linked to their remarkable health and longevity. 2. Some studies even show that fasting can help improve brain function and protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. 3. Greece. The Mediterranean diet is one of the world's most praised for its health benefits, and it often pairs with periods of fasting. 3. In fact, many Greek Orthodox Christians fast regularly as part of their religious practices, believing it leads to purification, both physically and spiritually. 3. And just like in Japan, their habits of eating lighter meals and fasting are linked to reduced risk of chronic diseases. 4. The United States. We're all about innovation, right? 4. Silicon Valley has been buzzing with the idea of intermittent fasting for years. 4. Biohackers and tech entrepreneurs swear by it for improving focus, energy levels, and cognitive function. 4. Fasting has become a go-to tool for people looking to get an edge in today's fast-paced world. 4. Whether it's skipping breakfast to keep that focus or going full on 24-hour fasts, fasting is a massive part of the biohacking world. healing your body, mind, and soul. Fasting isn't just about shedding a few pounds, although it can totally do that too. It's about healing on a cellular level. Fasting boosts your body's natural ability to fight off diseases, promote cell regeneration, and improve your immune system. Whether you're recovering from illness, fighting inflammation, or just trying to feel better, fasting helps your body recharge in ways that nothing else can. And let's not forget the mental benefits. Ever had a moment where you felt completely zoned in after skipping a meal? That's your brain on fasting. Studies show that fasting can increase levels of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which helps your brain create new neurons and even improves memory and cognitive function. It's like giving your brain a hard reset. The longevity boost. If you're into living your best, longest life, who isn't? Fasting might be your best friend. It's been linked to increased longevity in cultures like Okinawa, where folks live to be 100 plus, and modern research is confirming what ancient traditions have always known. By fasting, you are essentially slowing down the aging process, giving your body the tools to repair itself, and reducing the risk of age-related diseases. How to get started? Fasting for beginners. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds amazing, but how do I start? Don't worry, we got you. Here are some easy ways to dip your toes into the fasting world. 1. Intermittent fasting, if the most popular approach right now. 1. You fast for a set period, usually 16 hours, and then eat within an 8-hour window. 1. For example, eat between noon and 8 p.m. and fast the rest of the time. 1. Simple, right? 2. 24-hour fast. If you're feeling adventurous, try fasting for a full 24 hours once a week. 2. Drink plenty of water, and ease back into eating with something light like soup or a salad. 3. Fasting for spirituality. Want to try it for mental clarity? 3. Skip a meal once a week and use that time to meditate or reflect. 3. This can give you more than just physical benefits. It can also improve your mindfulness and focus. The bottom line: biohacking with fasting is more than just a trend. It's a powerful, ancient practice that helps heal your body, mind, and soul. From the healing powers it has on a cellular level to the mental clarity and focus it brings, fasting is a tool that transcends time, culture, and science. Whether you are looking to reverse aging, boost brain power, or just feel better in your skin, fasting is a natural, holistic way to unlock your body's full potential. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to hit the reset button. Try fasting, see how it feels, and maybe, just maybe, you'll experience the kind of health and vitality you've been craving. Hooray, Sparkles!